Hello everyone, this is the fourth assignment or week 4 assignment for Introduction to Internet of Things. First question is, if transmission range is greater than 2 times the sensing range, then what will be the answer? So here the answer is A, that is coverage implies connectivity. Next question is, what is the full form of AUV in the context of mobile wireless sensor networks? So here answer is D, none of these. Third question is, state whether the following statement is true or false. Agricultural intrusion detection uses NFC sensors. So the answer is B, that is false. Next question is, the objective of coverage in WSN is to use a dash number of sensors and dash of the network lifetime. These are the options. So here the answer for fourth question is D, that is none of these. Fifth question is, WSN in agriculture uses what for processing? So here the answer for this question is C, both A and B. It uses both microprocessor and microcontroller. Sixth question is, which of the following is or are options for communication among nano devices? So here the answer will be C, that is both A and B. It uses both electromagnetic and molecular. So these are the options for communicating among nano devices. Seventh question is, state whether the following statement is true or false. Voluntary sensing allows distributed sensing carried by humans, and the goal is not just to collect data but to allow the common people to assess and share the knowledge. So seventh answer is B. It is false. It is true. B. Next is, state whether the following statement is true or false. UAV networks use a ring topology. So here the answer is false. B. Ninth question is, in multi-UAV networks, the scalability is low, very low, poor, none of these. So the answer is D, that is none of these. Next is, single UAV system uses dash antenna. So here it uses both the unidirectional and the omnidirectional antennas. So the answer is A and B. Sorry, it will be both A and B. It means it is C. 11th is, which of the following is or are constraints or constraints of UAV network? So 11th answer is B, that is malfunction. 12th question is, low-end sensor nodes are. So the answer for this 12th is C, both A and B, that is whose deployment has high density in order to increase network lifetime and survivability, and who perform basic functions such as data aggregation, auto configuration and power saving. 13th question is, state whether the following statement is true or false. FANETs are flying ad hoc networks. So the answer for this is A, true. 14th question is, state whether the following statement is true or false. SCADA is designed for isolated systems using proprietary solutions, whereas M2M is designed for cross-platform integration. So it is true. And the last question is, state whether the following statement is true or false. Low-end sensor nodes are static, energy hungry and complex. So it is false. Answer is B. Submit the answers. So here the last date or the deadline for the submission of the fourth assignment is 20th August 2025. Do submit your answers before the deadline. Thank you.